pump, semi-auto, or bullpup. When seconds count, the shotgun you choose for your home could be the most important decision you make. A handgun is good, a rifle is better, but there's just something about the sound of a pump-action shotgun that nothing else can match. Today, we're breaking down some of our favorite tactical shotguns on the market to find out which one truly deserves a spot by your bedside. We're covering it all, so let's get into it. Let's start with the foundation, the good old pump action. These are the guns known for being dead simple and brutally reliable. First up is the Savage Renegade Security, and honestly, just looking at it with its blunt, angular lines, you'd think it would handle like a brick, but it's actually a really enjoyable shotgun to shoot. It runs much smoother than it looks. Savage got a couple of things really right here. The loading gate is easy to use, and the stock is highly adjustable. It comes with spacers to change the length of pull, and you can even swap out inserts to adjust the comb height, which is great for getting a perfect sight picture. Speaking of sights, it comes with good ghost rings right out of the box, but you don't get a rail for an optic. The whole aesthetic, well, it looks like a Savage. If you've seen the chunky slide serrations on their 1911, you'll see the family resemblance. The vibe is purposeful, not elegant. It has this no-nonsense, almost Soviet-era feel to it. It's here to do a job. Next is a really interesting concept from Palmetto State Armory, the PSA 570. Think of this as the Lego set of the shotgun world. It's a pump-action shotgun that you can assemble with basic hand tools, and the best part is its compatibility. It's designed to accept existing Remington 870 furniture, and that's one of the most common shotgun patterns on the planet. Now, it's really important to note, while it accepts 870 furniture, this is a completely unique design. It is in no way a Remington 870 clone. The modularity is the real story. The loading gate is nicely beveled and snag-free. The magazine tube and the barrel are both quick-change with a custom wrench. This makes it incredibly easy to swap between different barrel lengths and magazine capacities to fit whatever you need. The spacer that holds them together just slides up and down to accommodate any combination. It's a clever system, and PSA is even making its own line of furniture for it, giving you even more options to tinker with. All right, moving on from pumps to the semi-autos. These are for when you want to put more rounds down range faster. Stoeger often flies under the radar in these kinds of lists, and it's a real shame. The M3000 is a phenomenal shotgun, especially for the price. It's an autoloader, and the Freedom series is built specifically for defense with an 18.5-inch barrel and a 5-round capacity. But Stoeger's real claim to fame is its inertia-driven operating system. This is the same type of system you find in much more expensive Benelli shotguns. What does that mean for you? Well, it doesn't use gas to cycle the action. This keeps the shotgun running a lot cleaner. That, along with a rotating bolt, makes the whole gun incredibly reliable. If you've always wanted a Benelli M4 but just can't justify the price tag, the M3000 is a fantastic alternative. The one trade-off on the Freedom series is that it comes with a fixed cylinder choke, so it's not exactly a Swiss Army knife. It's built for one job: close quarters defense. Next, Beretta has taken its popular A300 shotgun and given it a wild update, thanks to a partnership with Chisel Machining. They've replaced the normal synthetic stock with this utilitarian wire stock that still has a proper butt pad. But the most eye-catching feature is the cantilever optics mount that hovers over the receiver. It gives you a perfect perch for a red dot that sits right over the action. It's a unique look for sure. Underneath all that, it's a solid Beretta A300. You get a 19.1-inch chrome-lined barrel with a 3-inch chamber and interchangeable chokes. The magazine tube runs the full length of the barrel and holds 7 rounds. The forend is slim, with aggressive checkering and M-lock slots for accessories. It's a great package that blends classic Beretta reliability with some very modern features. Mossberg just keeps making the 940 Pro platform better, and this SPX autoloader has really earned its reputation as a serious fighting shotgun. The magic of the 940 is on the inside. It has corrosion-resistant parts, including a nickel-boron-coated gas piston, magazine tube, hammer, and sear. And the gas system is designed to run cleaner, so you can go longer between cleanings without worrying about reliability. Mossberg basically threw in every feature you could ask for. The receiver is cut for direct mounting a red dot. The bolt release is oversized. The charging handle is knurled and extended. The loading port is enlarged and beveled so you don't chew up your thumb. The follower is bright orange so you can see it easily. It's just a laundry list of smart, practical upgrades that make the gun easier to run under pressure. It holds 7+1, and the stock is fully adjustable for length of pull, drop, and cast. If you get a chance to run one of these, take it. You'll be hooked. Now for something a little different. This is the G-Force 12 Hammer, an AR-style 12-gauge that brings the shotgun squarely into the 21st century. If you're an AR-15 shooter, you'll feel right at home here. The controls are familiar, and it feeds from a detachable 5-round box magazine. It just looks cool, and it runs as good as it looks. While it's obviously built for tactical use, they also designed it to be a capable hunting gun. To prove that point, they include a full set of 5 interchangeable choke tubes. It runs on a gas-operated buffer tube system, which keeps the cycling smooth and consistent. The forearm is long, with plenty of M-lock slots for lights and lasers, and you get a full-length optics rail up top. If you love the ergonomics of the AR platform, this one should probably find a spot in your safe. It's a lot of shotgun for the money. Now we get into the really compact stuff. The Bullpups. These guns pack a full-length barrel into a tiny overall package, making them perfect for moving around inside a home. The KSG is, in many ways, the granddaddy of the modern bullpup shotgun renaissance. Where this gun gets really exciting is its size. At just 26 inches long, it's incredibly easy to handle around corners and through doorways. But the real party trick is its capacity. It has twin magazine tubes that you select with a switch. This gives you a massive 15+1 rounds of 2 3/4 shells. That is more than enough ammo to solve most problems. The controls are well laid out, and it loads through a bottom port, similar to a traditional pump. But let's be honest, the gun has a reputation for a reason. It's a kicker. This is not something you want to take out for a friendly afternoon of skeet shooting. Then again, it wasn't designed for clays. It's a fighter, and it fills that role very well. Smith & Wesson jumping into the shotgun game was big news, but the shotgun itself was an even bigger surprise. They came out swinging with the M&P 12, a bullpup with dual magazine tubes. Like the KSG, it has a huge capacity, 14+1 of 2 3/4 shells. Personally, for defense, I'll take capacity over the power of 3-inch shells every time. That's just me. What sets the M&P 12 apart is the ergonomics. It has 2 pistol grips, both modeled after their M&P pistols, and you can even swap the back straps to fit your hand. Better yet, the controls are fully ambidextrous and will feel natural to any AR-15 user. It's about 28 inches long and weighs just over 8 pounds, so it's right in line with other bullpups. The one major complaint is the loading process. It has a push-button assisted system that's a bit complex. This isn't a gun you're going to be topping off in the middle of a fight. And, like a lot of guns in this class, it's very plasticky, which can make the $1,000+ price tag feel a little steep. If the KSG is the big brother, the KS7 is the short, lightweight sibling. This might just be the shortest non-NFA shotgun you can get. It's only 26.1 inches long, and it weighs less than 6 pounds. Kel-Tec trimmed this one down to a single tube, so it holds 7 rounds of 2.75-inch shells. This gun looks weird, but it handles surprisingly well. The pump is easy to grip, the safety is a big block that's easy to find, and it's great for lefties because it ejects shells out the bottom, not into your face. That big carry handle also doubles as your sight. It has a big, bright green triangle that's fast to pick up and perfect for close-range work. I was honestly surprised by the KS7. It's reliable, fun to shoot, and incredibly easy to handle. It's become one of my favorite bullpups. Finally, let's look at a couple of guns that are in a class of their own. Standard manufacturing DP12. This is the shotgun of your wildest dreams. 2 barrels, 2 magazine tubes, and a 16-round total capacity. The DP12 operates in a really unique way. You work the action once. The first pull of the trigger fires the right barrel. The second pull fires the left barrel. Then you work the slide again to eject both spent shells and load 2 fresh ones. It sounds complicated, but it works surprisingly well. And speaking of ejection, it ejects from the bottom, making it perfectly ambidextrous. The slide release even wraps around the trigger guard so you can use it with either hand. Having 16 rounds of 12-gauge ready to go is just incredible. But let's be real. If you haven't stopped a threat after 16 rounds of double-aught buck, you need air support, not a reload. If you ask professional instructors what the hotness is right now in defensive shotguns, a lot of them will point to this: the Langdon Tactical 1301. This is for the shooter who wants the absolute best, right out of the box, with no compromises. Langdon Tactical takes the already reliable Beretta 1301 Mod 2 platform and turns it up to 11. It has everything you'd expect, like an LTT trigger job and magpull furniture. But it also has custom innovations like a Super Duty shotgun sight, a fastback mount for an optic, and a custom heat shield. And they don't just hand you the gun. It comes as a complete package with a HoloSun 509T red dot, a Streamlight ProTac rail-mounted light, and even a magpull sling. It's a turnkey solution for someone who demands top-tier performance. So there you have it. Whether you prefer the proven reliability of a pump action, the speed of a modern semi-auto, or the compact firepower of a bullpup, there is a tactical shotgun out there for you. We've shown you some of our favorites, but now we want to hear from you. Which of these shotguns would you trust for your home defense? Did we miss a great one that should have been on this list? Let us know down in the comments below. If this breakdown helped you out, do us a favor and hit that like button and get subscribed for more in-depth firearm content. Stay safe out there.